free Elite Extra box break, 2008. How awesome would this be if this is a free, or if this is a hot box? Seven. The first 10. Second 10. Here we go. Mark Aaron. Oh, you know what? I need bags. John, you have 20 bags? Numbered? 20? Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Okay, here we go. You know what we're going for, guys. Here's spot 1. This is marked. Okay, 5 comments. Spot 2, Stephen K. Good luck, Stephen. Max Ramirez, Jeremy Beckham, Tyler Chatwood. Spot number 3. Stephen K. Yet again. Gold. Common out of 100. Nobody good. All right, guys. You know what? I'm going to do a little something while I'm breaking. So I'm going to do 50. Here's what I want to do. All right. I got an idea. So basically, I got 10 specials. Spend 50, get a 63 set break spot. The next 10 $50 purchases will not only get packed spots, right? Spots in our box breaks for free. You also get a 63 set break spot with it. Only 10 available. If one person buys and gets all 10 different, doesn't matter. 63 set break spots for each $50 purchase. The next 10 $50 purchases. Buy anything you want. All other specials apply. Michael Russo, spot 4. Nothing. So this is not a hot box, guys. Spot 5, Robert Bacon. First autograph, Kyle Ginley, whoever that is. And don't forget, guys, I have a whole bunch of freebies I'm going to random off if we sell out of one hit random, one graded hit random, excuse me, a 75 mini, and a co-signers basketball. We got a Yuka rookie, a Yount rookie, and a 70 Ted Williams. We'll random off to all the participants in those 3 breaks if we sell them out tonight. So use your purchases wisely. Here's spot number 6, John's. All commons. Guys, this is a free set break, by the way. A free box break. All you got to do is spend $50. And you get a spot. Here is another insert. Brent Morel out of 1,500. Here's spot 8. It's Chris R. All commons. So far, only one autograph has been pulled. So there could be a lot more stuff sitting in here, guys. Could be a lot more stuff sitting in here. Haha. Spot number 9. Barry. Little die cut action. Justin Bristow at 75. All right, spot 10. This is Stephen K. Looks to be a big fat decoy card in here, guys, and it is. Gotta love card number 3, LJ Hose. LJ Hose. Okay, spot 11. Lawrence. Good luck. Rick Porcello, not bad. Not bad at all. Rick Porcello. Autograph rookie card out of $12.99. One of the best pitchers in the American League. Put that in a top loader. One of the better hits in the product. Rick Porcello rookie autograph. And it got spot 11. So that's Lawrence. Congratulations, Lawrence. Here's spot... Hey, Marty, what's up, man? Here's spot 12. So, Marty, let me know what you'd like. You got 60... Actually, you got a spot here. Let me get this taken care of for you. And I haven't heard from Todd. So for Todd, I'm going to give Todd a spot in Bowman Draft. So let's write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, here's spot number 13. Jeffrey, good luck. Zach Putnam. Good old Jabba Chamberlain. And we are up to the next spot. And this belongs to spot 14, Michael Russo. Charlie Blackmon. Forgot he's in here. That's another good one. If we get an autograph. Charlie Blackmon. Here's spot 15, Adam. Good luck, Adam. Here's an autograph. Zach Putnam. Low number out of 444. Don't forget, spend $50. Any purchase, spend $50 on one purchase. You're going to get a free spot, 2001 Pros and Prospects Baseball. If you spend $100, we have a spot in the 2013 Bowman Draft box for you. Here's a Michael Stanton, a.k.a. Giancarlo Stanton, rookie card. Not autographed, but still, not a bad hit on a base card. Mike Stanton. That's spot 16. That belongs to Randall. Congrats, Randall. We're on 17 now, guys. 17. Commons. Here's 18. 18, Michael Russo. Good luck, Michael. Another auto. Tyson Brummett. Don't know who he is, but it's an autograph. And it's free. Guys, next $50. You spend $50, you got a 63 set break spot coming to you. So Marty is the first to take advantage of that. Marty's got a 63 set break spot coming to him. Let's just take care of it. John, you got some more card savers for me, man? Thank you. Okay, 2 more spots here, guys. 2 more spots. Thank you. Spot 19, Chris R. All commons. And the last spot in the break, the free break, Jeff Menenga. Chaba Chamberlain. Mitch Abida. I don't know who that is. But that's it. Free box break. Elite Extra. There was a Rich Porcello auto in there. Thank you very much, everyone. Next up, we're going to do